Whether you're navigating a technology rollout, a culture shift, a restructuring, or an AI adoption initiative, the ability to lead people through change with clarity and confidence is what organizations need right now. This certificate will give you exactly that, a repeatable, evidence-based approach to change that works across any industry, across roles, and across the full life cycle of any change initiative you lead. I'm Dariel Johnson, one of the program designers and instructors for the Change Management Certificate Program. I've spent over 15 years leading enterprise change initiatives of Fortune 100 companies. And what I've learned is the tools and frameworks matter, but only when you truly understand the people they were meant to serve. This certificate is made up of 3 6-week courses, and they're intentionally sequenced to build on each other. In change leadership, we'll start by exploring people's psychological response to change, because that's where every change initiative lives or dies. You'll develop the emotional intelligence and communication skills to guide individuals through uncertainty and build real commitment for change adoption. In the Change Management Toolkit, you'll add structure to your instincts. We'll go deep on the frameworks practitioners rely on most, ADKAR, Kotter, SCARF, and pair them with tools like stakeholder analysis, impact assessments, and readiness evaluations. You'll leave with a planning toolkit that you can apply immediately. And in executing and sustaining change, the focus shifts to results. You'll design resistance strategies with help from AI to tailor to different types of change, build measurement frameworks that track adoption, improve business impact. You'll finish the course with a complete, practical change management plan that you can put to work in your organization the moment the course ends. If you're ready to become the person your organization turns to when change is on the horizon, we'd love to have you in the program. We hope to see you in the next class.